Yep, bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, as an Orlando Pirates fan, I've been saying this. Good God, why? Why? All lama player owabona la, Teko, Andile Chali, Thembinkosi Lorch, nobani, no Innocent Mdledle, they were playing for Pirates. Yes, listen to me carefully. They were playing for Pirates, but they switched. Bajoyina i-Sundowns. They switched bajoyina i-Sundowns. Futhi for uTso Vilakazi isitori sakhe siya-understand-eka shem, bekangcono. Kubo bonke azange asuka ku-Sundowns. Sukile waya ngaphandle mabuya ku-Sundowns. The rest basuke direct baya ku-Pirates, basuke ku-Pirates baya ku-Sundowns. Azange baphinde badlale i-national team. Kuma-highest prime wabo. Imagine mfethu, Teko Mnisi, Thembinkosi Lorch, Andile Chali, Innocent Mdledle. 2010 i-World Cup le beyila. 2010 bekufanele ngabe ukudlala u-Innocent Mdledle leya position 3 bafethu. Shuthi ngamane esidliwe ku-World Cup ngoba kunomuntu osuke ku-Pirates akasafuneki ku-squad ngenxa yokuthi usuke ku-Pirates. Sazisaphuma kuma-group stages ku-World Cup ngayo leyo nto. Namanje izoyenzeka. Bazosifakela abonkotha, basifakele abo-T_L_B, abantu abadlala ngama-emotions. Sithole ama-red card, sishode egrawundini ngenxa yabo. Laba abadlalela i-Pirates sizoshoda egrawundini ngenxa yabo. Abakhoni ukuzikhontrola. Angithi bajwayele le team le yokuthi abo-referee baba-favour, ama-decision agowa against ama-opposition noma akapha umuntu akanandaba eligini kuyafana. Bafethu, yiyo le nto ezobulala i-South Africa. Sine-team ku-South Africa ne, but sinabantu abama-gatekeeper la e-South Africa. Gatekeeper straight. Abo-Helman Mkhelele balapha esquadini just kuzogada ukuthi Hugo Broos angafaki loya. Kuphela ayikho into ayenzayo lapha esquadini Helman Mkhelele. Is there to gatekeep. Is there to gatekeep baba. ULorch mfethu angeke ukuthi uLorch aperforme kahle against i-Man City ku-Club World Cup bese wena uthi awumfuni ku-small tournament i-AFCON. What is AFCON to Club World Cup? What is AFCON to Club World Cup? Nothing. Mara awumfuni umuntu operforme lapha. Yes sis, nenhliziyo ezimbi. Laba betshezela iminyama. Yes sis. Nenhliziyo ezimbi straight. Awuwanda abantwana beni banjani. Yo! Awufuna Smiling nomuntu wakamakhelwane.